Uh-oh, our next challenge has a dress code. Maybe our old pal Oscar's got a tuxedo you can borrow.
Huh?
Well, not exactly, but we've still found a lot of new material. Maybe we can whip it up into a nice ball gown. No need to stitch or sew, but you still look great. Nick might be harder. At least he's got a tie. Aha! We just need to freshen up your look. Better. And how about we add a butterfly bow tie?
Wow.
That purple and red one will go with his look. Be careful though, this bug's got a wife and kids. Tell the guests to get the party started. Nick and Judy have arrived. Uh-oh, grab a light for all the non-nocturnal guests. Something tells me that one of those lynxes is behind everything. Try to see if you can find them in the dark.
Hello.
We're finding felines, but not quite that darn cat. Ooh, usually third time's the charm around here. Aha! You're under arrest. Put your paws up. And we've got our next flame. Now it's time for our musical guest, Huntrix. They're still on their Sprunkyland tour. Uh-oh, looks like someone wants to stop the show. Hey, don't rain on our parade, Saja boys.
Ew.
Not so much rain as ecto-goop, but you get it. Why would they do it? Oh, I see. They're stealing the show. You guys have talent, but Huntrix always comes out on top. And this time, they've got Judy and Nick to help. Maybe the vending machine has what we need. I mean, there could be all sorts of things in here to help. Like a whole new wardrobe if we're lucky. First, we've got bunny ears, a snake band, and fox ears. Well, they'll fit in better at Zootopia.
Oh.
But we should really change them out of those slimy clothes. This purple outfit matches Rumi's hair. And Zoe would look great dressed in blue. Looking cool. Now let's fix up Mira. No pressure. She can make anything stylish. Wait a minute. They're Nick, Judy, and Gary. Now you girls go and show those ghouls who the real stars are. These girls are Beauty and the Beast, all in one. It's always best to end things with a song. But first, the final flame! Let's heat things up. Uh-oh, Gary's still frozen solid. What can we do?
Oh.
Aha, some nice warm wool ought to do the trick. We can roll it up into a stylish scarf, plus a matching hat. Gary is saved! Aw, who doesn't love a happy ending? It's Zootopia's police gala, complete with a big surprise. Why, it's the town's historical records, and they're laminated. You can tell Gary's excited. Hey, who turned off the lights? Hey, Nick, can't foxes see in the dark? Either way, did anyone catch the perp? It looked like Gary. You better go find him. Ooh, he's behind the door. But we need the code. Got it written down? Well, we just need to try anything. Let's just hope it doesn't lock you out after 3 tries. Guess the code's just a donut away. It's for a worthy cause. Our new ring toss game. And I think he ordered the triple-decker deluxe. It's important to rest after such a big snack. So, why don't we take this card off your hands? Okay, Hops, Nick, why don't you step on in? Ooh, Gary sure is acting slippery today. Going down the rabbit hole's nothing new for you, Judy. But we should probably clear things up for you. Wow, Gary sure knows how to move mountains down here. Oh no! Sand! And I don't mean a day at the beach. Well, let's make like a mole and dig you guys out. Are we at the Bellwether family reunion? Well, while you're here, let's get shearing. Let this be a lesson to all you gym rats. A bodybuilder's best friend is a close shave. It's their #1 rule after that whole leg day thing. And I don't mean 2 legs bad, 4 legs good thing. Wow, it looks like this ewes a ballerina. Our next sheep sure is feeling festive. Brings new meaning to a Christmas skirt. Something tells me this little lamb's not like the others. Careful, Judy. He's got fangs, and he knows how to use them. Jinkies! Gary left a clue for us in all this cotton. We're gonna need a helping hand. Don't want that venom. Something tells me this might take a while. We found the snake pen, and it's even got the antidote. Messing with parking meters? Now that's just evil. A former meter maid like Judy never forgets. Which means we're authorized to put everything back in place. And write up a few tickets as needed. Maybe we can interview a few witnesses. It's Flash Slothmore, and someone took his wheels. We gotta help him. He's got a need for speed. But try something bigger than buttons. Coins? Cookies are a terrible thing to waste. But this is truly for the greater good. What did I tell you? Go, Speed Racer, go! Mr. Sea Lion looks mad. Did you call him a seal? Guess we need to win his game. It's Whack-a-Soul. Guess the moles were on strike. Hop to it, Hops. It's easier than catching fish in a barrel. It's your prize. Guess a dream is a fish your heart makes. But now it's time for our next game.
Wow.
Roll that pearl into the winning bell. Something tells me we should try again. They say 3rd time's the charm, but maybe we'll get lucky. Or maybe not. Anyone ordered a shark? Don't worry. 3's always a lucky number around here. It's Russ! And he'd be happy to give you a lift. This looks like a good place for grub. Make that grubs. Hey, don't knock it till you try it. So try it. Look, this guy wants apple juice. Put it on your tab? Well, we'll need ID. Wait, that gives me an idea. Look at everyone's ID. This will help us find Gary the Snake incognito. Oh, this is just Sir Hiss. Hey, wait a minute. Don't worry, I'm sure Hiss will be back to his old self. Oh, he is one slippery snake. We just need to take a closer look at things. Okay, Mr. Chameleon, we see you. Now scram. Come on, Hiss. You can run, but you can't hide. Yeah, you kind of need hands for handcuffs. Ugh, slime. Well, better on than in. Let's wash you off. Come on. Hey, now there's a familiar Fennec face. Fennec's got the key, but you gotta pay. Guess we'll need to dip into the funds. Well, maybe Nick's got a trick up his sleeve. Ooh, a matching game. Maybe we can win a prize. A badge? A carrot pen? Huh, this looks like Judy's stuff. Maybe we can find her lost loose change. Or at least match everything up, whatever comes first. The other badge! And by process of elimination... I knew it! You just left your money in 2 random boxes. If I had a nickel for every time that's happened to me. We've certainly earned a little treat. But first, let's look at the special prize inside. Oh, so that's where they're keeping unicorns. But I think we were looking for something more key-shaped. Sorry, but we're gonna take a rain check on the squid game. Like I said, 3rd time's the charm around here. The key! Okay, open up! In the name of Zootopia! Careful, he's got junk, and he knows how to use it! Guess it's never too early for some spring cleaning. Pick a door, any door! Seriously, just look. They've all got some tails sticking out. But there's always clues if you look hard enough. Yeah, snakes don't exactly wear shoes. This trail looks like paw prints. But maybe I should rephrase things. Snakes don't exactly have feet. Oh, hi, Derpy. Okay, now door number 3 gets the glitter test. I mean, it's the only option, but you gotta be careful. It's Hiss! We've got you cornered. Uh-oh, looks like he wants a food fight. Okay, we really need to get this guy to freeze. And we've got just the thing, some ice. Come on, Hiss, we know you're cold-blooded. Make like Mr. Big and ice this guy. Come on, we've got to return the book. Don't worry, I'm sure Gary will be back to his lovable self.
Yay!
At least, by the time he thaws out. It's a good thing these vents are dog-sized. Look, the light at the end of the tunnel. Let's hope we're close to the exit. I wonder where these doors lead to. Yeah, I'd close the door if I were you. You sure you want to try door number 2? At least it leads somewhere. Another maze. Yarn! How could cats like this stuff? Joke's on them. He's part boxer. This is nothing compared to Lava Land. French fries? Where's the burger? Ooh, what does this button do? Oh no! The button betrayed us! Good idea. It always helps when dogs stick together. And this pup likes his sausages extra spicy. Now that's what I call cooking with gas. A spooky castle. Let's check inside. So far, it's not the creepiest thing today. I spoke too soon! Got any bug spray? That's okay. Puppy can always lend a paw. Ooh, cool slime. Guess it's what's inside that counts. Looks like Mr. Tarantula wants to tarantella. But some things are best served under glass. The door's locked! There must be a final boss. A snake! Guess they ran out of bugaboos. Either way, we know how to charm this guy. Where's the Pied Piper when you need him? Don't worry, we've always got a plan B. He's out of here, and so are we. Another maze? Did Daedalus design this place? There better not be a minotaur around here. Oh no! That must be the alien spy! Don't worry, he looks like he can take him. A UFO! I think there's something inside. All we need to do is open it up. Treats! Maze running sure works up an appetite. And you've already got a second course. Eat up. Looks like your lift is here. Fourth floor for exits and kitchenware. A dead end? Well, we'll just have to make an exit. The drill doesn't work. Let's try a saw. Where does it go? Uh-oh, the aliens! But this time, puppies come prepared. Uh-oh, I was hoping they'd melt. Guess it's time for someone to get begging. A little gimme paw might help too. Don't worry, puppy. It was all just a bad dream. There's no such thing as aliens. Besides, if there really were aliens, they'd probably be more scared of you.